Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video we're going to be starting a long-term dividend reinvestment portfolio. So if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to grow the family and I really appreciate it as well. And if you haven't already and you're interested in getting 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400 just for signing up for Webull, be sure to use the referral link down below in the description. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. Do with it as you will. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so today we are doing something long overdue. We're going to be starting a long-term dividend portfolio. This is something that I've wanted to do for a long time on this channel. I started this account at the beginning of the year and I've grown it to just over $2,800. But my intention for this account was always for it to be a dividend portfolio. And right now I don't really have any dividend stocks in it. Right now it's mostly just free cash. And in total I've contributed about $2,100 to this account. So there's about $700 worth of profits in the portfolio as it is right now. But what we're going to do today is we're going to pick out some dividend stocks and we're going to grow a dividend portfolio. This account is actually my Roth IRA. I just started it for the first time in January. I use TD Ameritrade, and because this is my Roth IRA, I am limited to how much I can contribute to it each year. My goal is to put as much as I possibly can in it each year. And the most that I can put in it each year is $6,000. And because of that, from this point on, we're going to be adding $500 to this account each month, every month, as well as purchasing more dividend paying stock. And the reason I want to use my Roth IRA as my dividend paying stock is because of the fact that all the money that's in my Roth IRA never gets taxed again. So whenever I get a dividend or whenever I collect profits, I don't have to worry about what portion of it is going to my taxes, how much I have to save for taxes. It's all mine to keep as long as I wait till I'm 65 to take it out. And this is personally cool for me because my goal in the stock market is definitely more long term. So I definitely think it's going to be a lot of fun to watch this grow. But that's enough of me talking. Let's get into this portfolio and let's pick up some stock. All right, so here we are in TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim, and as you can see, my portfolio balance is sitting at $2,839, and on the day I'm up just under $150. And the reason for that is because I actually traded a penny stock box sell, but this account is strictly dividends from here on out, so that's what we're doing. And taking a look at the stocks that I already own, we have WPG, which is Washington Prime Group. I bought 100 shares of this just to see what happens. I paid $68 for 100 shares. They're not exactly paying dividends right now, as with most other dividend paying stocks, but I think in the long run, I think it has potential. When I purchased them a while back, they had a good balance sheet. I definitely think they'll be able to make it through COVID and everything we're going through right now, but that's why I have them. And this other one is SDOW, and what it is basically it's just shorting the Dow. I actually got this a long time ago. This is kind of my way of controlling myself and keeping myself from feeling the need to make YOLO plays and shorting the market. So yeah, I have 12 of these, and as you can see, I'm down $80 on it, and I'm just holding. It pays dividends, but that's not why I'm holding it. Any point that the Dow just takes a huge dip, I'm selling out of all these, I'm taking profits, and then I'm going to use this money to get more dividend paying stock. Now that we've already talked about the dividend paying stocks, which I already own, let's grab some new ones. Okay, so the first one I want is SPHD. SPHD is a dividend that tracks the S&P 500. It's just an overall good play to track the market as well as collect dividends while doing it. I'm looking to get about $500 worth. All right, so I'm gonna grab 15 shares of these. All right, so I just picked up 15 shares. That leaves me with $1,900 cash for more dividends. So I'm thinking I'm gonna grab at least 2 more dividend stocks. So the next one I'm looking at is RCL. RCL is Royal Caribbean, and in my opinion, RCL is on super sale. Their dividend is currently suspended. There was a point when this stock was trading for $130, and I think that in a few years it can be back trading there as well as paying out a dividend. So I think that with this stock, not only will I get good dividends, but I will also get good growth out of this. So I'll probably grab about 10 of these. We picked up 10 shares of RCL. Now there's just one more company I want to buy, and that is Tapestry. So again, with Tapestry, this stock used to trade over $40, and I think that when things get back to normal, it'll go back and it'll go higher. And not only is this stock on super sale, but it also pays a good dividend. It's currently suspended, but I think it's coming back once things normalize. So the thing about dividends is it doesn't matter what happens in the short term. You will see profits, you will see growth, and you will see multiplication. That's kind of what my goal is with all these. So I'm going to try to get around $500 worth, and I think that's going to be it for today. So we're left with a little over $850. I think I'm going to leave that there just in case one of these stocks drops a lot. I want to have money so I can average in on any buying opportunities, and in case any other good opportunities to buy any good dividend paying stocks come up. So what you just witnessed was the beginning of something very beautiful. Believe it or not, you just witnessed history. I just started my first dividend portfolio. I did it in my Roth IRA. It's tax-free. So obviously I'm kind of new to this whole dividend stock thing. So I would absolutely love it if you could share any type of dividend paying stocks that would look good in my portfolio, because I'm a dividend investor now and I'm always on the prowl for a good dividend paying stock. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to grow the family, and I really appreciate it as well. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.